Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and this Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape has been my lifelong love. I've been using this for years. Highly recommend it, and let me show you why. So this is the light sand color, which has got more warmer undertones, so it doesn't fully match me at the moment because I am still in winter and I have neutral skin. So once that tan kicks in, this will match perfectly. But I love that this is a full coverage. Recently, I've been having some hormonal acne, and there's nothing that can fix that, but I can cover it up. And I like that it works both with beauty blenders and with brushes, however you like to apply your concealer, and it's buildable. It is more of a drier formula, so there is some good oils added in here for hydration, but it will still go down a little bit dry. But it's supposed to blur lines and kind of fill in pores. And although this won't guarantee that you won't have regular skin texture like everybody, I do really like this finish for my personal skin since I have extra texture. I think it does a great job for me personally. I've been using this for truly years and I really, really love it. So if you're someone who can stand something that's a little bit drier, this is definitely a product that I recommend. I love this thing, and that is my point of view.